Wolf Wally, Book 3, All to Do. Calvin the Wolf Sailor arrived home. He opened the door. "Kids, kids," he said. Then all of a sudden, there was a loud whack above his head and Calvin noticed that noise. "Yoo-hoo," said a child's voice. Calvin turned around. It was Wally the Wolf Pup and Kevin the Chipmunk. They were hanging upside down. Wally's overalls reached over to the bottom of his shirt but was still on his shoulders. "Kevin and Wally, what the?" said Calvin. "Hey Dad," said Wally. Calvin heard the whack again. Wally's overalls snapped back to his chest, and he and Kevin fell on the floor and got on their foot paws. Calvin got angry. "Both you boys need to stay in this lighthouse," he said. "Kevin and I know it's you," said Wally. "Come on now," said Calvin. He stared at the two boys. "Okay boys," he said. "Yes," said Wally. Kevin and the two wolves went inside the lighthouse. "Now I'll go see what Alice is doing," said Calvin. "Okay," said Wally. He looked at Kevin. "You're coming, Kevin," he said. "Oh," said Kevin. Then he went inside.